Hey guys, we have today our number 11 number bond page that we're going to do it together. So go ahead and get yours out if you don't have it out yet, and you can do it right along with me. 1 and 1 makes the number 11 when you write them right beside each other. E-L-E-V-E-N spells 11. So let's get started up at the top with our 10 frames. Now if you look right here, there are 2 10 frames. Remember, we cannot show the number 11 with just one 10 frame because it is bigger than 10. So let's get our pencils out and we are going to show the number 11 in 10 frames. Count with me as you're writing your circles. Remember, when you write a circle, it closes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 full 10 frame and 1 more shows the number 11. Now, next let's go to even or odd. Remember, when something is even, everybody has a partner. Everybody has a pair. If someone's left out, then it is odd. So, to figure out if 11 is even or odd, we're going to do our 1, 2, circle together to pair them up. Ready? 1, 2, circle together. 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 1. He doesn't have a partner. So, is 11 even or odd? It is odd. Great job. Remember, when someone is left and doesn't have a partner, okay, we're going to start our 4 square. And in our first box, it says draw. So we're going to draw 11 circles. Now remember, the box is smaller and 11 is a bigger number. So we need to make our circles smaller. And each circle that we draw, we say one number with. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I'm going to double check, and as I double check, I'm going to touch each circle with my pencil. I can put a mark in it, I can put a dot on it, and make sure that I have 11 circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great job. Next, we're going to do tallies. Now remember, when you're tallying 1, 2, 3, 4, cross for 5. So every time you get 4 together and you want to do the next number, you have to cross for it. So let's do 11 tallies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, cross for 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, cross for 10, 11. So to show 11 tallies, we have 2 groups of 5 and 1 1 by itself. Now, 1 more than 11. You can do this on the back, or you can do this with a scrap piece of paper, but what we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing 11 circles, squares, triangles, whatever you want it to be, and then we're going to add 1 for 1 more to see what that makes. So I'm going to draw 11 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11, and it says I want to do 1 more, plus 1. So I need to add 1 more circle. 1 more circle. Let's see what that gives us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The number is 12. when I have 11 and I add one more, it makes the number 12, which is the very next number. So when we see +1, it's always the very next number in our counting or the very next number on our number line. So one more is the number 12. Now we need to show one less, -1. Take one away. I like to think of it like cookies. You have 11 cookies. Somebody ate one of them, so it takes it away. How many do you have left? So we're going to start with our 11 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 circles. Now I want to show one less. -1 means I take one away. Someone eats one of my cookies. So I'm going to exit out and take it away and see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is one less than 11. And when you look on a number line, 10 is what you say before 11. So one less is always the number that comes before. All right, now we're ready for our number bond. And remember, with our number bond, we are decomposing the number 11. We are breaking apart the number 11. So you can pause this video if you don't have things around you, but I want you to go get 11 of something small that your grown-up is okay with. 11 crayons, 11 toy cars, 11 gummies if you have gummy packets, whatever you want it to be. Okay, got your things? All right, I'm gonna use 11 magnet circles on my pan, okay? So I'm gonna put 11 on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I have them all in one group together. Now remember, to decompose, I have to keep my 11, but I have to put some over here and some over here. I have to break it apart into two groups. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull these over here, and I'm gonna pull all of these over here. So I have two groups. I have this group and I have this group. Sometimes you could use plates. If you have crayons, you can put some crayons on one plate, the rest of the crayons on the other plate, but we can't take any of our items away. We still have to have 11. So I decompose the number 11. Let's take a look what I got when I broke 11 apart. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in this group. I started with the 11. I broke it apart into 4 and 7. So I'm going to use those numbers to fill in my number bond to show that 4 and 7 makes 11. 4 and 7 makes 11. If that's not the two numbers that you had, you're going to write the numbers that were in your groups if you did them a different way. There's lots of different number bonds that are correct for the number 11. Next, you're going to trace your two 11s and write it 2 times. Be sure you have your finger spaces between them. Trace the word 11 and write it 1 time. Work very hard on your number bond page today.